Are you ready to dive deep into the exciting world of cybersecurity and become a certified ethical hacker? Introducing the CEH v12 Hands-On Labs, your ultimate companion for mastering ethical hacking techniques and acing the CEH v12 exam. Our CEH v12 Hands-On Lab is designed to provide you with the hands-on experience you need to master the latest techniques and tools used by ethical hackers. Our CEH v12 Hands-On Lab will help you learn the skills you need to pass the CEH v12 certification exam, give you hands-on experience with the tools and techniques that ethical hackers use, help you prepare for a career in cybersecurity. Our CEH v12 Hands-On Lab is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn ethical hacking. Pass the latest Certified Ethical Hacker CEH v12 exam with confidence in just 4 weeks with IP Specialist Hands-On Lab. Get it today for just $29.99.